Hey everyone, today I'm going to share some quick tips on how to fix ingrown toenails fast. Ingrown toenails can be super painful and annoying, but don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, soak your foot in warm, soapy water for about 15-20 minutes. This softens the skin around the toenail and reduces swelling. You can do this 2 to 3 times a day. Next, gently lift the edge of the ingrown toenail using a clean piece of dental floss or a small cotton ball. Try to place the floss or cotton under the edge of the nail to help it grow above the skin. Remember, be gentle. Now, apply an antibiotic ointment to the area to prevent infection. Cover it with a bandage to keep it clean and protected. If you're experiencing pain, over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen can help. And wearing open-toed shoes or sandals can reduce pressure on the nail while it heals. Lastly, let's talk prevention. Trim your toenails straight across, not too short, and avoid rounding the corners. Always wear shoes that fit properly to prevent this from happening again. So there you have it. Simple steps to fix an ingrown toenail fast. If the pain persists or you notice signs of infection, definitely see a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Stay healthy and happy. Bye for now.